Good morning, Vikings! Today is Would You Still Be My Friend If I Wore This Day? So, Jelly, would you still be my friend?
I guess. Attention students, please be advised that student parking will be limited tomorrow due to events taking place on campus. That means if you want to park here, get up early and get here early.
Attention Trio ATS, if you would like to attend the Southern California Spring Break College Tour, you can pick up an application in room A1.
Ms. Greenow's driver's ed students need to call or stop by to schedule a drive as soon as possible.
NHS is holding a book drive, and Foster Family Service is expanding and wants to set up a library. Donate books for young children or uplifting novels of any genre. Bring them to any time to Miss Miller's room, A9.
Several classes already have enough cans for Hunger Games Project tributes, so make sure you're bringing in non-perishable food to your second block class so you can also send tributes. It is 10 cans for one tribute, and each class can have 5 student tributes. Once a class has reached their 5, they can bring in another 25 cans to send their teacher, as long as your teacher is willing to volunteer. Bring in your cans as soon as possible because next Friday is the deadline.
Tomorrow's dress-up thing is Throwback Thursday. That means you should dig through your closet to dress like you did way back in kindergarten, or even earlier. Then Friday is Blacklight Rally, and dance is to wear fluorescent colors or white so you show up in the black lights. And now for your lunchtime club meetings.
Ukulele Club meets in SV202.
Book and Origami Club meets in Mr. Berkshire's room, B4.
National Honor Society meets in Miss Miller's room, A9.
And Debate Club meets in Mr. Beaver's room, C6.
And then after school, the Strategy Club will meet in ST1. Have a great day, Vikings.